Hello, I'm Haider Malik, host of the Mehmi Financial Group podcast. Today's topic is high tech manufacturing, financing CNC machines and robotics for productivity. Investing in advanced machinery can transform throughput, precision, and labor efficiency, but the high capital cost often deters firms. In this episode, we'll outline criteria for upgrading to automation and explore financing tools that make CNC mills, robotic welders, and assembly cells attainable. First, quantify expected gains. Estimate cycle time reductions, scrap rate improvements, and labor savings per cell. For example, if a robotic welder cuts cycle time by 30% and trims scrap by 20%, calculate the incremental revenue and cost avoidance over its useful life. A clear ROI model strengthens your case with lenders and guides your upgrade schedule. Next, explore specialized equipment loans. Many banks and the Business Development Bank of Canada underwrite loans covering 70 to 100% of high-tech asset costs over 3 to 7 years. To qualify, prepare 2 years of reviewed financials, equipment quotes, and your ROI projections. Highlight stable or growing order backlogs for parts that will run on the new equipment to demonstrate repayment capacity. Equipment leasing is another powerful option. An operating lease lets you rent CNC machines or robots for a fixed term, often 36 to 60 months, with bundled maintenance and support. Lease payments are lower because you never assume residual value risk, and at term end, you can return or upgrade to next-gen models. If you prefer ownership, a finance lease includes a nominal buyout fee at term end and full tax depreciation benefits. Sale-leaseback transactions unlock equity in existing automation. If you own legacy CNC mills or older robots outright, sell them to a finance company and lease them back immediately under an operating agreement. The lump sum proceeds can fund deposits on new cells, vision systems, or cobot integrations without interrupting production. A receivables-based line of credit provides flexible liquidity between invoicing cycles. Manufacturers often face 30 to 60-day terms from OEM or aerospace clients. Securing a facility that advances up to 80% of eligible receivables means you can draw cash to cover equipment deposits and installation costs, paying interest only on the amounts used. Vendor financing from OEMs can sweeten your upgrade. Leading CNC and robotics suppliers, Fanuc, Siemens, and Mitsubishi, often provide promotional packages such as 0% financing for 6 to 12 months, deferred payments, or extended warranties. Compare these offers against bank loans and leases by modeling total cost of capital over the full term, including any post-promo rate resets. Government and industry programs further reduce your net investment. The Canada Small Business Financing Program covers loans up to $1 million with shared lender risk, often yielding rates 0.51% below conventional loans. The Strategic Innovation Fund and Industrial Research Assistance Program offer grants or interest rebates for advanced manufacturing automation. Provincial initiatives like Ontario's Advanced Manufacturing Voucher Program subsidize feasibility studies and pilot projects for Industry 4.0 upgrades. Coordinate your financing so loan or lease disbursements follow grant approvals, avoiding upfront cash strain. Before you commit, run a side-by-side cost-benefit analysis. Include interest, lease fees, maintenance contracts, software licenses, integration costs, and potential residual value risk. Model cash flow impacts under scenarios such as order surges, labor shortages, or extended commissioning timelines. Stress test each financing structure to ensure covenant compliance and operational resilience. 3 action steps. 1. Build your ROI case. Document projected throughput gains, labor savings, and quality improvements for each machine or robot. 2. Assemble your package. Gather financial statements, equipment quotes, order backlogs, and technology roadmaps, then engage a finance broker experienced in high-tech manufacturing. 3. Compare and execute. Solicit proposals for term loans, operating and finance leases, sale leasebacks, receivables lines, and vendor programs. Select the combination with the lowest true cost of capital and the greatest operational flexibility. By leveraging targeted loans, leases, sale leasebacks, credit lines, vendor financing, and government incentives, you can fund your high-tech upgrades without draining working capital, unlocking productivity, quality, and competitive advantage. I'm Haider Malik. Thanks for listening.